name is GAIL Myers, and I've lived here at Rock Oak Estates with my husband Bill for about 4.5 years. Prior to Rock Oak, I lived in a condominium in Williamsville. Bill had a home in Tonawanda, and we met in 2010 and fell in love. We both sold our homes. We were going to lunch one day, and we had looked at many other places, and the prices were just exorbitant. We went past here, and Bill said, you know, it looks nice in there. There were 3 models that were open. We walked into this model last, and Bill and I just stood there, and we loved it. And for 4 years, we continued to love our home, the location, the community, the people around us. Every year we get to meet more people through Christmas parties, through sandwich and soup day, through birthday parties. It's a wonderful place to live. I can't really say enough about it. I've had many friends come here and look at the homes and they've purchased here. It's the answer to your prayer, you know, at the time when you have a great big home, you need to downsize, this is the place to come. I never thought that I would find such a perfect place after Bill and I got married, you know, to live in and meet people and have a social life as much as we'd like or as little as we want. You don't have to do anything, but everything is here for us to do. You cannot be bored at Rock Oak. There's too many things to do, too many nice people to meet, and I just hope that we can spend many more happy, healthy, holy years here together.